We are installing cooling coil plate. This is the plate type cooling coil cooler. Okay, this is the old one. We replace this old one with new one. Okay, and this is the strainer. The chilled water is coming inside this plate type cooler, and this is after cooling water it's going to the load HU or FC. This is the freon port. There is two circuits. One circuit is cross, this one and this one. This is the suction and this is the discharge for circuit 1. This is the suction and this is the discharge port for circuit 2. Then this plate type cooler model you can see here, AC 500 DQ. Okay, this is the chiller, small type chiller, 50 ton. Okay, you can see. Okay, this is the remote control of this. You can control from here. This is the entering pressure, water pressure gun. This is air vent. This is temperature for entering water. Okay, this is the bypass. This is the bypass water pressure gauge. This is water flow. This will sense the water flow. If there is no water flow, it will not run the chiller. Okay, thank you for watching.